Want to change the settings in MusicBrainz Picard? Customizing the application lets you control how your music is tagged, renamed, organized, and processed to better suit your personal workflow. In this guide, I'll show you how to change MusicBrainz Picard settings step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Options from the menu. This opens the settings window where you can customize different parts of the application. All major configuration options are organized into categories for easier navigation. Next, review the general settings. Here you can change interface behavior, startup options, language preferences, and other application settings. These options let you personalize how MusicBrainz Picard works every time you launch it. Now open the File Naming and Tags sections. You can enable automatic file renaming, choose whether to move files into organized folders, customize naming patterns, and configure how metadata is written to your music files. These settings help keep your music library consistent and well organized. Next, visit the Plugins section to manage installed plugins and check for available updates. If you need more control, explore the advanced settings to configure scripting, fingerprinting, cover art options, and other features based on your workflow. After making your changes, click OK or Apply to save your settings. Then import a few music files and test your new configuration to make sure everything works the way you expect. And that's how to change MusicBrainz Picard settings. Customizing the application's options helps you manage your music collection more efficiently while giving you greater control over tagging, file organization, and automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.